How to get healthy without losing weight. I am sure the first thing that comes to mind is, can I even get healthier without losing weight? The short answer is yes. You can get healthier without even losing a pound. I know you know this already, but I want to remind you because I see this so often in my patients. They become so obsessed with the struggle of losing or keeping weight off that they start to believe that losing weight is the only way to become healthier. But even though intellectually they and you know that it's not true, be honest, sometimes you do feel this way. And the truth is, how you feel will drive what you do far more than what you actually know. This is especially important if you find yourself struggling to lose weight or to keep it off. Why not just take a break? Try focusing on getting healthier instead. And later, when you are stronger and readier, you can then go back to focusing on losing weight. Welcome to Mind Weight Loss, where the aim is to show you how to win the mental game to lose and keep the weight off. So, as promised, here are 3 things that you can do to get healthier without losing a pound. The first thing you can do is move more. Moving more can do wonders for your health, from reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even dementia. Moving more will allow you to get more blood pumping to your cells, more nutrients flowing to your body, and very important, more toxins getting cleared from your system. So even if you're not burning enough calories for weight loss, still try standing more, try walking more. This will get your blood pumping and make you feel better and make you healthier in the process. And the next change that you can make to become healthier is reduce your salt intake. This is especially important if your blood pressure is already borderline or high. Let me tell you a story. When I was in the Air Force, I was diagnosed with hypertension at a young age of 19 years old. At that time, I did not want to take any medications, much like how many of my patients feel and probably how you feel. So I said, Doc, I don't want any medications, especially after you start listing the many side effects. So I decided to look for an alternative. And what I found is that for most people, if you reduce your salt by 25% or 50%, you can make a dramatic change in your blood pressure. So I started to do that. I got rid of canned foods, processed foods, eating out, and take away the salt shaker from the table, and that made a difference. In less than a week, my blood pressure dropped from the 150s down to the 120s, and it remained that way for the last 5 years. That is the power of reducing salt. So if you have hypertension or you have the risk of having high blood pressure, try reducing your salt, and maybe you too can get your blood pressure controlled without medications. And the last change that you can make to get healthier even if you don't lose weight is reduce your stress. You have to understand that having high stress level in your body consistently increases your risk of inflammation, which increases your risk of heart disease, cancer, stroke, and many other diseases that you don't want to get. So simply by working on your stress level, removing the unnecessary stresses from your life. For example, in this stressful time that we're living in, don't watch so much news. All that negativity will increase your stress. All that stress will cause your cortisol level, your adrenaline level to go up, which increases your risk of heart disease, cancer, and many other diseases. So why not focus on your health by moving more, eating less salt, and reducing your stress? So while losing weight is still very important for most of you, know that there are many things you can do right now to get healthier even if you don't lose weight. By getting a healthier mind and a stronger body, this will make you more prepared of taking on the bigger challenge of losing weight. So, what healthy change will you start doing today? And guys, if you like this content, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Continue learning how you can master your mind to master your body.